Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new for 2018 FALCO Aviator boot. FALCO Aviator boot comes in two colourways. You've got this beautiful distressed dark brown and also distressed black here behind me. I'm going to talk you through the brown version, but they're identical apart from the colourways. So the Aviator boot is that classic style boot. If I show you the full grain leather down the side, that's been hand distressed, so it's a beautiful quality leather with massive overlays on the important areas, so it's loads of protection. If I spin it around to the front, you can see you've got a lace-up system to get the ultimate comfort around your foot, but you've also got a dual zip system. This means that when you're trying to undo the boot with gloves on, you can just use the zips, leave the lace exactly where they are. Spinning the boot around the side again, you can see that lovely distressed leather. You've got an oil and water resistant handmade sole on the bottom, beautifully made and beautiful styling. Come back round to the waterproofing of the boot. Now, it's a fully waterproof boot. We're using a German high-tex membrane, so it's fully waterproof. We get no problems in terms of waterproofing. It's a beautiful quality material, as you would expect from FALCO. Again, this is a CE approved boot, so you're going to get full protection that you need. It's passing all the CE regulations. So even though this is a beautifully styled boot with lovely leather, full grain and that waterproof membrane, you're still getting the protection you need. For any more information on this product or any of the others, go to tranam.co.uk or check us out on Facebook on Bikerheadz.